Good afternoon viewers, welcome back again to another video. It's great to have you guys back here. And right now I'm just inside this Honda CRV, and in this video I'm going to address something with this vehicle. It is a 2008 model Honda CRV, and I've been getting a little bit of issue with this steering. I'll show you quickly. Can you hear that click, click and knock, knock when I rock it left to right? Yes, we're gonna fix that today. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, right now we are just going to the power steering specialist due to I don't have the tools in order to fix these problems. Let us just go to the specialist and get it fixed. See you there, guys. Okay, let me fast forward you a bit. Now viewers, we have already finished repairing the steering rack, and the steering seems a little bit heavier than before, and there's no more clicking or knocking. It is very smooth now. Okay, I'm going to move it left to right just to give you guys an update. There is no more sound coming from the steering wheel, which is very good, and the steering feels very smooth, just like new. Okay guys, I have reached home. Just want to show you guys what they actually replaced to fix the issue. This is being one of them. It's made out of plastic, as you guys can see right here. It is worn out. I don't know what you can call this, but they replace it with some aftermarket. Well, I hope it lasts. And the rack end, both right and left, because mine is worn out. This one is the worst.